Hello, my name's Faris here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Kombi Highline. This vehicle comes with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. The van also comes with a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. This Kombi comes in the short wheelbase format and is finished in the solid paint colour pure grey. Across the front of the vehicle, the Kombi features LED headlights with LED daytime driving lights. There's also a colour coordinated front bumper, complete with a set of front parking sensors. Set into the lower portion of the front bumper, we'll also find a set of front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below, the Kombi sits on the 17-inch Devonport alloy wheels, which come in a 5-spoke star design. A full-size steel spare wheel is also provided. Towards the rear of the vehicle, we'll find a tailgate with a heated rear window, some transporter badging, and located just above the rear number plate is a rear view reversing camera. This, paired with the rear parking sensors, helps you make every parking maneuver with confidence. Taking a look behind the tailgate and into the load area of the Kombi, there is a large and spacious size storage area here. There is also a rubber floor covering which extends to the rear passenger seats, along with a few lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor, which is useful for securing any large or bulky items. Access into the rear passenger area can be found on either side of the vehicle, where we'll find a 3-seater passenger bench in a split 2-to-1 configuration. These seats also come with ISOFIX points, and getting in and out of the rear passenger area is aided with steps on either side. Up front in the driver's cab, we'll find 2 singular seats, both with 2 armrests apiece. Like the rear seats, these seats come finished in the bricks woven fabric upholstery. Plenty of leg space for the front passenger as well as the driver, and in the forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash we'll find an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system features the Discover Media navigation, as well as allowing users to access all their favourite radio stations, including FM as well as DAB radio stations. Users can also opt to connect with the App Connect feature, which allows you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Once reverse gear has been selected, the rear view camera feed will also display on the screen. Similarly, when something gets in proximity of the front or rear parking sensors, the Park Pilot will also display here. Just beneath the touchscreen, we'll find the climate controls for the vehicle. The Kombi comes with 2 front heated seats as well as climatic air conditioning. Further down and to the left, we'll find a 12V and 2 USB Type-C charging points, which is handy for keeping those smart devices charged while on the go. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather-trimmed steering wheel, which provides a more unique and customizable driving experience. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen T32 Transporter Kombi Highline. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.